What's up, everybody? So it is February 10th. We had to go out and plow a driveway here. We had to clean out the driveway there. They use a snow blower to do their driveway, which is fine, but if they drive on it one time and then snow blow it, it screws it all up. It does a hard pack underneath it, and they had some propane delivered, and them trucks, the delivery trucks, are 30,000 plus pounds, especially if they're loaded. Somewhere's in there, I believe, and they're just too heavy, and they'll go right through that stuff. So I come out, and she had us come out and try to scrape it down the best we could. We opened it up and stuff, as you can see here. You know, they did the bare minimum of snow blowing it, that's for sure. That's a small driveway. But so yeah, we scraped it out, got it cleaned up. I think the truck should be able to get in there now pretty good. There's still a pack underneath it. We can't get it scraped all the way down, unfortunately, but we did what we could. You know, it is what it is. We don't have a piece of equipment out here, so, you know. But yeah, just a little thing here, just clean that driveway out. We've been doing quite a few driveways like that type deal. People can't keep up with them and that kind of stuff, so they call us, you know, and want us to come out and plow them and stuff, which is fine. It's just, you know, expect to pay a high bill when you do that, because all of our other customers that are on a routine plow, they've been paying all winter to keep it nice and clean for them, and then somebody else calls and wants it done like a one-time deal because they can't keep up with it or something like that. Well, it's going to be expensive to do it, so just be ready for that, you know. Most people are pretty good about it. They understand and that, but you also have other people like what I had yesterday. A guy wanted to pay me peanuts for something that it wasn't that cheap of a deal to do, you know. My services aren't free. This stuff, it costs money. I might drive an old truck or this or that, but it still ain't cheap to do it. So anyways, here you go. I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video and see how we did it. I got as many shots as I could of everything there. It's kind of hard, especially with one camera. I'm trying to get another one. I just haven't gotten one yet. So those things are expensive. So we'll catch you on the next one, guys. See ya.